So they have 3 leisure travel vans here. One is the Wonder. This is the newer model, the Unity, with the Murphy bed that I'll show you. And then another floor plan of the Unity. Let's take a look at these. It's a Murphy bed layout. This whole piece comes down, and you notice the way they fold it up. You still try to get some light across the top when your bed's up. This one happens to be on the Ford chassis. You can see a TV that kind of unfolds from the cabinets there. A little kitchen area. Storage. And the bathroom. So that's their newest one here, I think. The Unity outdoor TV, Mercedes chassis. Very bright and airy. The lights all built into the ceiling. This area folds down into 3 ways. One, you can face each other with the seats. It goes down, and then the bed unfolds from there. And they also keep the window there above so it doesn't feel so claustrophobic when the Murphy bed is up. Bath. A lot of storage, even up here in the back. They do a nice job thinking through, and they're known for being a little bit higher quality than some of the other ones. Now let's go look at the Unity, also on the Mercedes chassis. A little different layout on that. Walk into the kitchen. You've got your 2 seats across from each other. Storage with a safe up on top. And then this would be a couch back here that actually then folds down as your bed and does not have a slide out either. With that bed up and the couch, it feels very big back here. The windows come top to bottom. Your TV. On one side is your shower. And the other side is your bath. And that is the different layout on the Leisure Unity.